What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love, of course. So I just want to drop this little quick video real quick to show y'all something. Just got through washing the vet and it popped in my head. Somebody may need to see this video. Well, somebody may need to see what I'm fixing to show you. So if you have a C6 Corvette or thinking about getting a C6 Corvette with a clear Targa top, in other words, the see-through Targa top, you have two of them. You have the kind that are painted, same color as the car. Then you have the clear one. Well, if you're thinking about getting a clear one, there is something that you should know. And I'm going to show you what that is right now. And these questions get asked a lot in the forums. So about people that's thinking of purchasing it. One, but a lot of times this is failed to be mentioned. And that is spidering. So I don't know if you can really see this or not. But if you look real close, in the top, there you go. If you look real close, you can see spidering in the top. And mine is really bad. And the thing about it is my car is a garage queen. So it doesn't sit out in the sun no time. Probably a max of 3 hours, 4 or 5 hours in a year. And this is what happens to the top. It's mainly due, I believe, to the car flexing. I do have a driveway that I come out at an angle and it's not flat, so you can hear the top flexing. And if you ever heard your top creak, then that's what it's doing. So we got pretty bad spidering here, and eventually I will need to get it replaced. But this part don't really concern me. This is the part that concerns me. We have this, which is hot. But we also have this crack that has developed in the top of the car. Now, if that crack spread, who knows? This top could just fall down on my head. That's probably the extreme, but it's pretty bad. The spidering is pretty bad. I was just going to wrap it, but you know, that'll cover it up, but it will not be a solution to the cracking. Maybe that would even help with the durability, but I don't know. So what I'll probably end up doing is looking for a regular top, because the Targa top, it really doesn't mean that much to me in the first place. There's a quick video, folks. I don't know if it's going to hold any value for you or not, but it's probably something that you really should think about if you're looking to get a C6 Corvette with a clear top or not. It's not many that come with it like that, and you don't see them too often. So a lot of times people want a Corvette that has that. Just be aware, this may be what you're in for. Now my car is a 2010, so within that, 10 years old, almost 11 years old, if not 11 years old. So that happened over time, and as you can see, you know, it's taking a while for it to get like that. So you need to weigh that too. If you only plan on keeping it 5 years, whatever, it ain't gonna matter. But if you see one and it's cracked like that already, just note it in the back of your head that you may have a problem down the road. This your boy Jay Reed. Like, comment, and subscribe in the comments if this video has been helpful. Peace.